Okay, so I just picked up the Hilton Honors Aspire card from American Express, and I got it in the mail today, so we're gonna do a little unboxing video. This is the little welcome packet that it came in. I guess when you pay $450 a year for a card, they send it in a box instead of an envelope. How generous. Okay. And the usual purplish Hilton packaging. Let's see what we got here. They tricked me. It really is just a fancy envelope. Okay. Let's dig into it. Lots of paperwork. Haven't figured out which one actually has the card in it yet, if you couldn't tell. It looks like that's going to be this. That's about the best view I can provide without giving you guys my card number. So this is it. It's shiny, it's purple, it's pretty nice to look at. Welcome kit doesn't have a ton of information in it, which is not really that cool. Normally these guys like to have like a benefit guide or something like that buried in them. This one is just all card member agreements, mostly. So not quite as exciting as I thought it would be to take out of the box. That said, it's a pretty solid card. Your $450 a year gets you a free weekend night annually at pretty much any Hilton property. The sign-up bonus is really great. It's 150,000 points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. It's got a $250 Hilton resort credit, a $200 annual airline fee credit, and it also has a priority pass lounge membership. So about what you'd expect from a premium credit card at this point. I'll be doing a full review on this card a little bit later. Hopefully it will be worth the money. All right, thanks for watching.